Hi, good morning. Today we're going to talk about the electric spiral potato cutter. Here's that beauty right here. All right. It's made of stainless steel, has a handy dandy handle so you can just pick it up, move it around. Just don't use the handle while you're using the machine. If you want to know how many potatoes you cut, there's a nice little LCD back here that will show you how many potatoes you cut during the day. And the power switch. Now to move this in and out, we have a little switch here. Go forward, stop, and go back. So let's give it a try, see what happens. Plug goes in, turn it on, take a bamboo stick, take a potato, put that on there, through the hole in the front. Now you can see there's some blades here on the screw. Push it on and push the potato onto those blades. And then go forward. It stops all by itself. Turn it off just to be sure. You can pull your potato off. And there you have your nice spiral cut potato. Here's a better looking one. And the machine comes with 2 extra blades to make fancy stuff, curly fries and other things. And what you do is you just take that, put it on there, you need a small Phillips head screwdriver. And there you are, you have on a fancy blade.